there, productive enthusiast. Welcome back to Zenful Being. I'm Ash, and today we're diving into the world of productivity. If you're ready to get more done in less time and lead a more fulfilling life, you're in the right place. Let's face it, life can get pretty chaotic and staying productive can be a real challenge. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today I'm going to share 10 practical tips to help you supercharge your day and make the most out of your time. First things first, set clear goals. Knowing what you want to achieve is the first step to staying on track and being productive. Write them down, break them into smaller tasks, and prioritize. Time blocking is a game changer. Allocate specific chunks of time for your tasks and stick to them. This helps you stay focused and prevents distractions. Your workspace matters. Keep it clean and organized to reduce mental clutter and increase your efficiency. Prioritize tasks based on the importance and deadlines. Tackle the most important tasks first to make the best use of your peak energy. Use productivity apps and tools to your advantage. From task managers to note-taking apps, technology can be a powerful ally in your productivity journey. Don't forget to take breaks. Short breaks rejuvenate your mind and help maintain focus. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method to structure your work intervals. Say no to multitasking. Multitasking is a myth. Focus on one task at a time to do it efficiently and effectively. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks when possible. Sharing the workload frees up your time for more critical activities. Regularly review your productivity habits. What's working? What's not? Adjust your strategies as needed to stay on the path to success. And last but not least, remember to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Productivity isn't about overworking. It's about achieving more with less stress. So there you have it, folks. 10 powerful tips to boost your productivity. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day and neither is a supercharged you. Start implementing these tips one step at a time and watch your productivity soar. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more productivity tips and life hacks. And as always, leave your comments and questions below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay focused, stay productive, and make every day count.